And as far back as you can remember,
Adobe Premiere or Procreate, I'm one area.
Yes. What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
I'm like going out of my mind, you know, like I'm freaking out. When I do my show, it's like there's like just burst of energy all throughout my body, you know, and I just can't take it. I'm just freaking out, you know. I don't know what this is.
More than most.
A little poker. I know you're not into gambling, Doc.
Does that seem like a real laugh?
No, but I really enjoyed it. It was funny.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for coming on.
Moisturizer with sunscreen is not a good moisturizer, and it's not a good sunscreen. It's like when they put the
Anthony Michael Hall in the bar scene in Weird Science. Have I seen a black man play?
well, I've never done a Zoom before.
I remember someone wrote that when I did Hollywood Squares because it was
Ambiguity is not vague. Vague is not ambiguity. You know what I mean?
Yeah, totally, Vancouver.
Cool. How you doing, Kevin? How's it going, man?
Hey, I'm all right.
And how water emerges.
What was that?
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.